It's partly because of my son, partly because a lot of children love pasta, and partly because pasta is so quick and simple that I always include it in my natural cooking recipe series. This recipe can be made with any shape and type of pasta: penne, spaghetti, macaroni, any at all. And remember what I told you about the importance of incorporating more vegetables into your food. That's the aim of this veggie pasta. Please get your children used to eating veggies. It's very, very, very important for their health. Explain the health benefits to them and let them choose the ones they want added to their foods at different times. Those are little ways to get them to accept it. For mothers with babies, start giving veggies from 6 months. You'll be doing them a whole lot of good. For this, I use cabbage, green bell peppers, garden egg, and onions. You can use any type of veggies you want and dice them smaller if your children will accept it better that way. Remember not to overcook. Just pour on top at the end and let steam lightly. That's all. Full ingredient measurement is in the caption. I'll be back again with another recipe tomorrow.